Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Faizal Amin ingin mengupload di pantai air terjun Toroan. Sebelum kita berangkat ke lokasinya, kita harus mengikuti protokol kesehatan terlebih dahulu. Sebelum masuk ke air terjun Toroan, kita harus mengikuti protokol kesehatan. Kita harus mencuci tangan. Oke guys, itu saja vlog kita hari ini. Marilah kita pulang.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.